The ASUS ROG Ally 2 has quickly become one of the most talked about gaming devices of the year, and for good reason. When ASUS first introduced the original ROG Ally, it was seen as a bold attempt to challenge the dominance of handheld gaming PCs like the Steam Deck. While the first version showed great promise, it also left room for improvement. Now, with the ROG Ally 2, ASUS seems to have taken all the feedback from the gaming community and crafted a machine that not only addresses the shortcomings of its predecessor, but also redefines what gamers can expect from a portable gaming system. This is not just a refresh with minor tweaks. It feels like a generational leap forward, blending cutting-edge hardware, refined ergonomics, and powerful software optimization to deliver a handheld experience that truly changes everything so far. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. At the heart of the ASUS ROG Ally 2 lies its upgraded processing power. Reports and leaks confirm that ASUS has partnered closely with AMD once again, this time to integrate the latest Ryzen AI-powered APU built on advanced Zen 5 architecture. This chip combines a multi-core CPU with an RDNA 4 GPU, giving the handheld console desktop-level performance in a compact form factor. What makes this chip especially exciting is its focus on AI-assisted performance management, allowing the system to dynamically adjust power delivery and thermal output depending on the workload. This means smoother gameplay, longer battery life, and better efficiency across the board. For gamers, it translates to high frame rate performance in AAA titles that previously seemed impossible on a handheld device. Running games like Cyberpunk 2077, Elden Ring, or the latest Call of Duty with impressive graphic settings no longer feels like a dream. It's becoming reality with the ROG Ally 2. The display is another area where ASUS has pushed the envelope. The ROG Ally 2 is rumored to feature a stunning 7.5-inch OLED panel with a 144Hz refresh rate and HDR support, making it one of the best displays ever fitted into a handheld gaming machine. The jump from LCD to OLED is significant, offering deeper blacks, brighter highlights, and far richer colors, which transform the handheld gaming experience into something far more immersive. Gamers will notice the difference immediately, whether exploring expansive open worlds or competing in fast-paced shooters where every frame counts. Combined with a high refresh rate, motion feels buttery smooth, giving the ROG Ally 2 an edge not only for casual gaming but also for competitive players who demand responsiveness. The display is also protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, ensuring durability without sacrificing visual quality. Design and ergonomics have been carefully refined as well. One of the biggest complaints with the original ROG Ally was its somewhat awkward weight distribution and limited comfort for extended sessions. ASUS seems to have taken this feedback seriously, crafting the ROG Ally 2 with a more ergonomic grip, reduced overall weight, and a better balance that makes it easier to hold during long gaming marathons. The button layout has been adjusted for improved comfort, with more tactile feedback and customizable options. The analog sticks now feature Hall effect sensors, eliminating drift issues and increasing precision, while the triggers have been fine-tuned for smoother responsiveness. These small but impactful design decisions make a huge difference, especially for gamers who spend hours at a time immersed in their favorite worlds. Battery life has always been the Achilles heel of handheld gaming PCs, but the ROG Ally 2 is aiming to change that narrative. Thanks to the efficiency of the